We're watching out for you this morning as tax season is upon us. This time around, a few extra things that you're going to want to consider before filing. News 5's Renee Skinner spoke to an expert, tells us how this season's tax season is a little different because of the pandemic. Good morning, Renee.
That's right, Bree. Good morning. So not everyone has had the benefit or the luxury of being able to work from home. A lot of folks have had to use their own money to buy masks and hand sanitizer just so they could be able to work safely in that office or in that workspace. So a lot of experts have been saying they've been getting questions from filers who are asking, can I deduct the items that I use to protect myself from getting sick? Well, the experts I spoke to said that answer is simply no. You're not able to use that as a deduction. Turns out items like masks and hand sanitizer can't be written off unless you're self-employed or a teacher. But there is one provision under the second coronavirus relief package that allows teachers to include protective equipment in their deduction. But again, the rest of the workforce can't deduct those items. Although one expert I spoke with says workers might be able to deduct COVID-19 tests.
If you incurred expenses, medical expenses related to the pandemic, you can deduct those as medical expenses if you itemize and you meet the threshold.
Now, according to NBC, tax season began February 12th, and in just 1 week, the IRS got 35 million tax returns. And the experts say this points to just how dire folks' financial situations are during this pandemic and the urgency to get those funds into their accounts. But again, there's still time to file in the state of Colorado. That filing date, or deadline rather, is April 15th. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. Renee Skinner, News 5.